Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable PartyCast mod for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. So, to enable or disable PartyCast mod, at the top of the speaker we have all controls, and right here near to the pass we have PartyCast button. To enable PartyCast mod, you need to press one time at this button, and now we see white LED light. To disable this mod, you need to also press one time at this button. Now we have no LED light because we disable this mod. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!